Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. And do you need cleaning? Are you building your new home? Or you are a realtor? Or a builder? Let me tell you that we have all the equipment necessary to remove all the labels from the windows, clean inside your home and outside, detail cleaning, removing paint from glass, cleaning top to bottom. This is a remix video that I'm trying to show you many aspects of our cleaning services. We are really detail orientated, 100% warranty, license and insured. This is my way to show you how we work, and this is not professional editing, but that's one of my hobbies, to take pictures and photos and show my future clients the type of service that we do. We are really detailed, and this is a brand new house right here in Deer Creek Golf Club in Davenport, Florida. We have so many good clients, good reviews on Google, and plenty of information and videos on YouTube. We also do tutorials how to clean for people that are starting their own cleaning business in another states. The way you can find us is just call us at 407-572-4118, or if you want to do your research about our company, just Google any house cleaning in Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida. We also are members of Better Business Bureau. We are accredited business with an A rating, A+ rating. Sometimes when the building finish the job, they clean the surface, they clean the property. You buy the house, everything looks wonderful, but when you pay attention of the surface, some light fixtures can be dull, and this is the reason why new homeowners call us and hire us to do detailed job. Right here I'm showing you how the bathroom it was clean. We removed the paper for the builder or the construction people, and remove all the fine dust. We use a special yellow cloth that you can buy online, but that's our trick, to use special tools and a special microfiber cloth to remove fine dust and clean really good, in order to take out all the dust, smudges, tape, some paint. In this house, this is a new tile, new house. On your right side, you are gonna see some videos of how hazy was the floor and some dust. I have 3 videos exactly to show you how was this house before. The floor has some haze because it's a new tile, but when they do the tile and put the grout, it leaves like a film, a hazy white film, and we remove that. Also, we clean all ceiling fans, light fixtures, detail, rails of the window, remove some paint, all the blinds. You are seeing right now how we are dusting the vertical blinds, everything in detail. So save our number. We are anyhousecleaningservices.com. My name is Fiorella. and you can pronounce my name like Fiorella, like Cinderella. Right now I'm showing you how we clean the high windows. We have all the tools and some ladders to reach high surface. We are using pure water and water-fed scrubber. We are really well known in the area of Davenport Champions Gate. If you have any questions, just call us at 407-572-4118. Another thing that I want to mention is that we have a lot of experience. We have been cleaning houses since 2000, but new construction since 2010. This is just the final part of the video where we are removing some smudges on the window and she's doing the final map. Well, thank you for watching all my videos, and again, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaningservices.com. Google us, Any House Cleaning in Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida. We also serve Orlando, Dr. Philip, Winter Garden, Winter Haven, Abordale. Looks so beautiful, and the builder and the owner was so happy with our services. Thank you.